Hello, assalamu alaikum. What's cooking in Zahira's kitchen today? Today we will be making cheese samosas. Yes, you heard that right. That's my favorite sambusa. Maanta waxaan sameynaynaa sambuuska oo farmaajada dhexda ugu jirto. Not every day hilib iyo chicken iyo malay. So let's try this. This is the recipe and all the ingredients that you need. Screenshot ka qaado, isku dardarki waaye oo ku sameyn doona maanta sambuuska. Koodi ko waxaa ka bilaabaynaa sida loo qaso kooladii oo sambuuska. So foliyada jaa waa soo diyaarsanay. Videoga foliyada sida loo sameeyo YouTube-ka ayaan soo geliyay. So click on the eye on top and you should be able to take you to that video. So waxaa u baahan tahay nus koob oo bur ah iyo nus koob oo biyo ah. Intaas isu qas kadib kooladii ku sameysmayso. So you need half a cup of water and half a cup of plain flour, and there you're going to make your glue. So first things first, this is a pre-made folio or pre-made samosa pastry. So I'm gonna be sticking that all together. So this recipe makes Sida sambuus, so 8 samosas, and actually 10 if you want to put in less cheese in it, but because I put in so much heaps of cheese in my ones, so that's the reason why. Anyway, so I'm showing you guys how I glue my samosas for preparations. Why do I lose the words that I want to say when I'm trying to make a video? Anyway, so here we are making the pastry as I'm showing you guys step by step. Make sure you apply the glue properly, because you don't want your cheese oozing out when it's frying, and that's the worst because it makes a popping sound and it could actually burn you, so be careful. Here we are, we're peeling off 5 cheese triangles. So inta waxaa igu jiro farmaajada 3 geesoo leega, ama hada sida u kasaysid farmaajada jilicsan ama farmaajada caadiga, any type of farmaajo, soft cheese. And you can use soft cheese, feta cheese, you name it, any type of cheese for your samosa filling. It depends on your taste. So for this recipe I have used 5 cheese, and I'm gonna go and put that in the microwave. As you can see the smoke, and then I'm gonna try and crush that. It doesn't melt properly because I literally thought it was going to cook in the microwave, hence why. So I've added 1 cup of mozzarella cheese. So half cup of cheese mozzarella iyo half cup of farmaajada caadiga ah. Intaas ayaan soo qasay. Haddaad sambuus badan sameysanaysid waa ku dari kartaa 2 koob ama 3 koob ayaa ka dhigi kartaa, aday kugu xiran tahay. Markaan iskugu dadarayso, when you add in this part you can add chili powder, any type of spice you like, chili lemon, depends on you, sweet corn, whatever you like. So jalapenos, all of that, waxaarta ku darsan kartaa. So I've put in 1 tablespoon of cheese in my samosa filling. Then as you can see, I am gluing every nook and corner. As you can see, dhinac kasto ayaan ka mariyay burka. Waxaa rabaa burka inuu si fiican sambuusku u daboolmo, isku geesaha dhan ugu dhago, because hadduu sambuuska meel ka dilacsan tahay ama haddii si fiican ugu dhiji weysay, farmaajada way dhalaalaysaa markaa saliid ku dubaysid, umana baahnid waxaas. And yeah, wax badan inaad ku shubtid uma baahnid sababtoo farmaajada melts, way dhalaalee. Farmaajada markay dhalaashana asaab sambuuska iska fuuraayo. And then we're going to turn our heat on high, and then as you can see I've got a deep pan and I'm filling it with oil. So saliid ayaan ku shubtay weelka. Saliida markay kulaatay within 2 minutes, sambuuska aa ku ridaysaa. Make sure your oil is really hot when you're putting your samosas, because the filling is already cooked usually, and you just want to cook or fry just the top part, which is the crust. And then make sure you turn your samosas when it's golden. Do not burn, do not walk around, stay over your cooker and make sure you're next to it. As you can see, it's beautifully golden. It's fried in 3 to 4 minutes. So ujeedin sambuuska qurxan waa diyaar. And yeah, so don't forget to like, subscribe and share. I really hope you like that. I'm just showing you guys the insides of the samosa. Oh, look at that gooey cheese. Mashallah, that's so nice. Make sure you have a try. It's super easy. And yeah, make sure you follow me on Facebook, Snapchat and Instagram. Thank you for watching my videos. See you soon.